Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the PUBG mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the secondary verification within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG mobile game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, in order to change your secondary verification settings, go ahead and tap on the More options at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings, and now within the account page, if you scroll down, you can find secondary verification underneath Login Protection Settings. In order to enable this, you will first need to link your phone number. So tap on the link button alongside the link phone number option, and now tap on Security Verification to proceed. Once your device is confirmed to be secure, tap on the link button. You will now be asked to enter your phone number. So type in your phone number and then tap on the Obtain button. This will send you an SMS consisting of the verification code. So you will just need to type in your verification code and then set up a password for your account. Just type in this password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Then click on the OK button to finalize your verification. After your phone has been linked, you will find the secondary verification toggle, and you can tap on it to enable or disable it based on your desire. So there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable secondary verification on PUBG Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.